For those of you who are not familiar with the game of Blackjack, also known as 21, I'm just going to spend a few minutes to go through the rules with you. Blackjack is a game that's played using cards, and the goal of the game is to add up your cards to the largest number without going over 21. If the cards in your hand add up to more than 21, then it's called a bust, and it means that you lose immediately. And it doesn't matter how much you've gone over 21, as long as it's over 21, then you lose. Now, the way that the cards are counted is that all the cards from 2 to 10 count as their face value. So a 6 is a 6, a 9 is a 9, etc. But the Jack, Queen, and King each count as 10. And the other special card is the Ace. Now, the Ace can either count as a 1 towards your total, or it can count as an 11. And depending on whether if you've gone over 21 or whether if you're under 21, you can decide which value you want your ace to represent. Let's play a sample game. Let's say that the dealer over here got a 10 to begin with, and you got a queen, which also counts as a 10 to begin with. So these are the first cards that are dealt, and both of these cards are revealed. And then the dealer deals another card to each of you. Now, the dealer's second hand is concealed, so you can't work out what their total is, but you can see your own card. So at the moment, we don't know what the dealer has. It might be 10 plus anything, but we know that our score is 13, 10 plus 3. At this point, you might ask the dealer for another card. So now you have 3 cards, and luckily it adds up to 20 without going over 21. But there is also a possibility that you might have gotten a card that would have pushed your total over 21, at which point you now lose. And it doesn't matter what the dealer has in their hand, you've already lost because you've gone over 21. Now let's say that we got lucky and our total adds up to 20. Now at this point we say we don't want any more cards, and the dealer reveals their hand. If, like in this case, they end up with 20 and we have 20, then we end up in a draw. So whenever your score equals the dealer's score, then you will draw rather than win or lose. Now, if on the other hand, the dealer ended up with an ace, which we know can count as an 11, and they actually scored higher than us, they have 21 and we have 20, well, in this case, we would lose. Now, the rules also state that if the dealer ends up with a hand that's smaller than 17, so 16 or under, then they must take another card. Those are the basic rules of Blackjack. But I recommend that before you get started, head over to the link that's in the Blackjack starting file and have a few games of Blackjack, just so that you can see for yourself how it actually works.